Yeah, I remember that it was fun to do, and I remember that the students liked it because they had to take on the roles. Like, you know, there was a character who played Dracula, there was a character who played the Wolfman, and so I think they enjoy doing that.
Yeah.
And we used some sound effects, you know, tape. In those days, it was tape recorder, or cassette recorder, to create music background. Some of the students would do just use their voice backstage, you know, for sound effects like that.
Cool.
And so it was a mixture. It was a joint effort.